Hello everyone, my name is Sumit and I welcome all of you BISP Self-Learning Video Broadcast Solution. Today I'm going to talk about interesting topic in Salesforce. Basically my requirement is that how to customize data based on criteria in a Visualforce, how to display the data. So let's move on to our business requirement. So that's my business requirement. I have got few positions in an object in Salesforce, and as you can see here, the minimum pays there are various minimum pays like 9,000, 6,000, 8,000, 12,000, and my requirement is that if any records minimum pay is less than 10,000, that record should be marked in red color. If any records minimum pay is greater than 10,000 and less than equal to 20,000, it should be marked in yellow color. And if any of the record whose minimum pay is greater than 20,000, it should be marked in blue color. So I would like to achieve this using Visualforce. So let's see how to perform this in Visualforce, or how to display this kind of structure by using a Visualforce, or by using a page block table in a Visualforce, and how to apply a condition in between page block or page block tables columns. So let's move on to Salesforce. So let me switch to my Salesforce. So that's my Salesforce, and I'm going to create one Visualforce page first of all. So I'm going to create one Visualforce page, apex slash and demo page. That's the name of the Visualforce page. Then click on this link, because this page does not exist, so we are going to create this page first. Click over here and we'll open the code part and we'll be going to write the code. So first of all, because I'm going to use or display the data from this object, it's a custom object. So I add a standard controller, and the name of that object will be, API name of that object will be position underscore underscore C. And as you know that for reading a record from any object, we need to use, or we need to create record set where. So position, then apex colon page block. I give a title to this page block, that position record, then apex colon page block table, and in this table is getting the value from this record set where. So I give the same value over here, position, and create an instance for this table. So I create pause, and now let's create columns. So apex colon column. Now first column will display the name, so I use pause dot name. In second column, I would like to display maximum pay, so I write API name of maximum pay is max underscore pay underscore underscore C, and for minimum pay it should be min underscore pay underscore underscore C. So for API names, you should check with the property page of this position object. So if I'll save it and if I execute it right now, you will find out the table will be created with the records or extracted record from this position object. Now we would like to apply this kind of customization. So if the minimum pay is less than 10,000 in red, if the minimum pay falls in between greater than 10,000, less than 20,000 in yellow, and rest of them in blue color. So how to apply the validation? Because we are going to apply that conditional formatting only on minimum pay. So here I write style, and in style I write color colon bracket open and close, then I write not if pos dot min underscore pay underscore c greater less than equal to 10,000. It should be marked in red color. Then if pos dot min underscore pay underscore c greater than 10,000 and pos dot min minimum underscore pay underscore c less than equal to 20,000. It should be marked in yellow color and rest of the things will be marked in blue color. Then bracket closed. Let's check this. So once I saved and executed, you can see the color has changed, but that's the text color change. I would like in this style, so that is the background color. So instead of color, we need to set the background color. So I set here background color. So like this, we can mark specific records. I have tried it on minimum pay. You can try the same condition on maximum pay or any other field you can extract from the position object. In position object, there are records. For example, we have other fields as well. We have date field, we have open date field, we have close date field. So like we have location. So based on location, we can customize the record. Based on function area, we can customize the record. So like this, we can customize the data or data page block table in different formats or in different colors. Like same, we can change the font as well. So that's all in this video. If you have any queries, if you have any questions, do visit our website www.bisptrainings.com. You can subscribe our YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Have a nice day ahead. Goodbye.